N8N basics. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the N8N website. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In or Get Started on the top right. You'll be directed to the Setup Account page. Fill in your full name, company email, confirm your email, set a password, enter your account name, and check the box below it. Click Start Free 14-day trial. You'll be asked a few onboarding questions. Answer them as needed. Next, you can invite team members to your workspace or simply skip this step. Once your workspace is ready, a quick tutorial will be offered. Watch it or skip it. Now you're in the N8N main dashboard. Click Start from Scratch to begin your first workflow. In the top left, you can view your workflow name and add tags. On the top right, click the three dots for workflow options or open workflow settings. Switch between editor, executions, and evaluations using the top tabs. Also on the top right, use buttons to open the Notes panel, Sticky Note, or AI Assistant. Click the center plus icon to begin. Choose a trigger like Manual, App Event, or Schedule. Then add more nodes or build with the AI Assistant.